In this video, I'm going to do a test of 3 products that can be used to remove crayons on walls, and that is magic eraser, baking soda with dish soap, and last but not least, the pink stuff. After we're done, we're going to see which one is the best. And in addition, you will also need a microfiber towel, non-spray sponge, and a bucket with water. Check on a hidden area first just to make sure the products don't remove the paint on walls. And this is always a rule of thumb before you use any product on any surface. First method, magic eraser. Wet the magic eraser and squeeze it with just one hand and begin to clean like so. Let me know in the comments below if you have ever had to deal with crayons on the walls and what did you use to clean that up. So far so good, the magic eraser is doing a good job here. On to the next method, baking soda and dish soap. In a small bowl, mix 4 teaspoons of baking soda, 2 to 3 drops of dish soap, and a tablespoon of water. Use a non-scratch sponge to clean here. For your information, this method is taking longer than the magic eraser and you will need to use some elbow grease to clean. Last but not least, the pink stuff. Apply the product and let it dwell for about 3 minutes. If you have watched my videos, you know I have used a pink stuff a lot in different areas in the house. If you want to know more about this product and areas where you can use it, check these videos here for more information. The pink stuff is doing most of the work here, definitely much better than the baking soda. Now let's check out which product or method worked best. The baking soda method, it removed 88% of the crayons, was difficult to use because it required too much elbow grease. Ain't nobody got time for that. For the paint that I was working on, which is flat, it did not remove all of the crayons. So the winner of this test is the pink stuff cleaner and magic eraser. We have a tie here. Last is the baking soda method. The pink stuff and magic eraser cleaned at least 99.9% of the crayons and was easy to use. Both methods were very tough on stains and they required less elbow grease compared to the baking soda method. The good thing about both methods is they are non-toxic. That's it friends, give this video a thumbs up and remember to subscribe and to click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload another video. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. Bye.